If your iPhone XR suddenly stopped charging with a wireless charger or a MagSafe for the matter, especially after the iOS 18 update, don't worry. We're going to show you what I can do in that situation to fix this problem. So first of all, if you're using any thick cover or a pop socket, just go ahead, take it off, because that might be preventing it from charging. And also make sure the back of your device and also the surface of your wireless charger is clean. Now when you put your iPhone XR over the charger, make sure it's not placed here and there, but aligned with the charger properly. If you're using any wireless charger beside MagSafe, make sure it supports QI charging and actually compatible with your XR. If it's still not charging, you can use another device if available to you with the same wireless charger. If that device is charging but your XR is not, sometimes this happens for some minor glitch, so in that case just go ahead force restart your XR. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button and keep holding down the side button till the screen goes black. After the restart, if there's no hardware issue with your iPhone XR, it should just, start charging right away. Lastly, I want to remind you that a lot of times if your iPhone is overheating while charging, it might temporarily disable wireless charging. But in that case, we recommend you just leave your device for a while so it can cool down, and then just go ahead charge it. Thanks for watching.